A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. Ball means game. C. C for cat. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F. F for fish. Fish means machli. G. G for grape. Grape means angur. H. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for joker. Joker means joker. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. L. L for lion. Lion means save. M. M for mango. Mango means N. N for next. Next means घोंसला. O. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P. P for peacock. Peacock means more. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S. S for sun. Sun means suraj. T. T for tree. Tree means पेड़. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V. V for van. Van means van. W. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.